All right, good morning, guys. Let's hope everyone is well and in good care. Today we are starting from the 2D shapes. Okay, so we are last time we ended on number 7. So today we are starting from question 8. So they are saying circle the closed shapes. Okay, so I'm not gonna circle, but to put a tick. Okay, so this one is enclosed. This one is enclosed. This one again. This one again. This one is enclosed. This one, no. Okay. This one is enclosed. This one is enclosed. Then this one, no. This one, no. Right. Then we go to number 9. They are saying circle the shapes with straight sides only. Okay. So straight sides, this one, no. Because of this portion. Then this one, no. This one, correct. This one, correct. This one, correct. This one, no, is curved. Right, this one, correct. This one, correct. This one, no. This one, yes. And this one, no. Okay. Right, so that's what we have there. Then draw the following shapes, 2 closed shapes with curved sides only. Alright, okay. Right, so maybe you can draw a shape like that, or you can draw a shape like that. Alright, okay, 3 closed shapes with straight sides only. Okay, maybe a square or a rectangle. Okay, then maybe a trapezium. Okay, one open with curved sides and straight side. So maybe we can draw a shape like that. Here it is open. Okay. Alright, let's move on to the next page. Data collection. So the question is saying, look at the pictures. Why do we need to take part in sport? Okay. So for healthy, sport is good. For your healthy. Okay. Right, okay. The other thing is for fitness. Also for competition. Okay. Right, then the next one. Right, the next thing also, there is in the groups of 6, you do the following activity. Your teacher will keep time. Write your results in the table below. How many times can you skip in 1 minute? Okay. So you can try. So maybe if it's David, okay. So maybe you can say I skip 50 times in a minute. Maybe we have Riker. Maybe you can say I skip 40 times per minute. Maybe it's cheaper. you can say maybe it's 45 times, maybe it's more. Okay, right, so maybe it's 35 times. Okay, right. Maybe it's Cameroon. You can say it's 20 times per minute. Okay, all right, until you are done. Maybe is Hlanzeka. You can say maybe it's 25 times. Okay, right, so that's what we have there. Then number 2, write 5 questions on the data you have collected. Okay, right. So the first question, you can say who skipped the most. Okay, that's from the information above. Who skipped the most in 1 minute. Okay, question 2, who skipped the least in 1 minute. Okay, then the next one you can say who was second from last. Okay, then number 4, what is the average? Skips, okay, per minute. Okay, on and on like that. Right, then we move on. Each person in a group, this is number 3, each person in a group of 6 tries to balance on an object. Your teacher will time you to see who can stay the longest on the object. Okay, so organize and record all the data. So on this one, I can say let's say for example Montayo, you record maybe 2 minutes. Then maybe Emihle, maybe you can say 1 minute. Okay, okay, who else? Maybe we can say Lenati, right? Okay, 3 minutes. Okay, so that's what you can do there, on and on until you are done there. Okay, minutely, maybe 4 minutes, on and on. Write 5 questions on the data you have collected. So this one you can do it at home. You just try to complete it in your books. You can just do the same as what we did there from the question above. Okay, you can formulate questions. Then your number 1, who was the highest, who stood the the longest on the what on that object. Okay. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So who stood the longest? Who stood the shortest? Okay. Then second from last. Okay. Right. Okay. Then second from top. Then the average. Okay. The average of the minutes there. Then we go to this one. There is more data there. Okay. So they are saying how many cell phones did the shop sell? So 45, 36, 38, and 40, 41. Okay. Right. So all of them are 41 cell phones. But now they are saying red cell phones. Okay. So you're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So they are 12. Which means you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2. Blue cell phones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Then you put your 9 there. We are going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Green cell phones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so it's 14. So we are going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then we move on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are yellow. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then plus 1. Then we get 6 there. Okay. That's what we have. So if we add 14 plus 6 is 20, 32, then 41. It is tallying. Okay. That's what we have there. Okay. So on the pictograph, they are saying use the table above and draw a pictograph. Okay. So which means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the red phones, okay? Then the blue ones, they are 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The green ones are 14. Right. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, okay. Then we go to the last one, which is the yellow ones. The yellow ones, they are 6. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.